Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add lightning transition on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, if you wanna add a lightning transition, so you just click on a box white icon, this one, click on it. And after this you can click on the effect, and now you can swipe until you can see lightning. This is the lightning transition effect, so you just click on it. And after this you can swipe this icon left or right for the set the duration for the transition. And after this you can click on apply to all for add the transition effect to all videos. And after this you can click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to add lightning transition on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.